Welcome to Lex and Logic, your guide to understanding the foundational principles of jurisprudence. Today, we tackle one of the most fundamental questions: what exactly is law? We begin with high contrast shots, setting the scene in the solemn atmosphere of a modern courtroom and the contemplative space of a law library. Our focus today is defining law, a concept that shapes societies and guides civilization. The most basic understanding of law is that it is a system of rules. These aren't just suggestions, they are explicit statutes, written down as legal code governing conduct and behavior. Law, in essence, is the comprehensive framework of rules that a particular country or community recognizes as regulating the actions of its members. However, rules alone are not enough. They need legitimate backing, which brings us to authority. The law is defined by who makes and enforces it. We see this authority represented by the highest courts and the finality of a gavel strike. For a rule to be law, it must be recognized and enforced by legitimate state or community bodies. Finally, we address the ultimate goal often associated with law: justice. Law and justice are not the same, though they are deeply interconnected. Law is the structure, and justice is the ideal outcome. The goal is fairness, to apply the rules impartially and equally, regardless of individual circumstance, a quest embodied by Lady Justice. So to summarize, law is the authoritative system of rules designed to achieve justice. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Lex and Logic. We hope this breakdown clarifies the essence of legal study. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the logic and application of law.